What up, guys? So, don't mind the lisp today. I got aligners in and pretty hard to talk with these. But today we're gonna be working on the TLs. We have mine and my girls. On mine, it is for sale. So if anybody's interested, tap in. Clean title, original Type S. Pretty clean in and out. Show you guys a little bit more. I've already showed you guys, but the idler pulley is making noise. So got a new one. We're about to swap it out. Then my girl's car, we're gonna do a muffler delete. Some people commented on the video of the resonator replacement to delete the mufflers, and it sounded really good. And yeah, last time when I remember if I posted when we swapped the motor, I unbolted one of them, and it sounded pretty good. So we're gonna unbolt that one and cut the other one. And once we put the Type S style bumper, we're gonna put the pipes all the way to the back with the dual tips like the Type S. Let me see if I can show you guys how the bumper is. It's actually it's here at the shop. So this is the bumper right here. They primed it all. I don't know why, but I'm gonna fix this. It's a little, you guys can see it a little bit, and right there. So that's the bumper that's gonna go on. So yeah, once we put that bumper on, we're gonna do tips like these. I've already found some, so it'll look clean. But yeah, that's a TL. Hit me up on my IG, Phantom_T2A. Get more details on it. So yeah, I'm waiting for my girl. Oh, sorry guys, I'm waiting for my girl to get here, and we'll swap out the. I'm gonna start working on mine, and once she gets here, we'll cut the mufflers. So if you look down there, there's that top one, there's a lower one. One's more of a idler, one's like a tensioner. They're the same size. I don't know which one it is, so I'm gonna guess one. All right, so my girl dropped off the car. Shout out to her. Got me a sandwich. She knew I was starving. Stick them on my whiskey. Cruz and Danny showed up. Probably gonna start on this one. Do the muffler delete, and then continue back to this one. Or do this one first and that one. I don't know. All right, so I got the whole assembly out. I already replaced the pulley. It's this one right here. Should just got both of them, but I don't know how this one comes out. There's the old one. All right, Danny, spin it. Spin it on my finger. I don't know. See if it'll fucking like spin it hard.
Yeah.
Ay, ¿cómo? No. Anyways, this one like barely spins, and this one free spins hella more. So I figured it was this one. So hopefully. Oh yeah, but you get all awkward. We're gonna put that piece back in, jack this one up, and do the exhaust on it. Pinches jotos.
Huh?
Said who's gonna offer to eat his ass.
Look at the shirt. You ain't about it, do it.
Whip it out. Whip it out. About the moose knuckle. Alright guys. Alright, we gonna get to that car now. Alright, so like always, something always has to go wrong. The bearing that I had got, the pulley was wrong. So he's calling, and we get the right one. So for now, we'll start on this one. Let's get that muffler pulled off. Alright, they're both off. Now I was able to get unbolted. I had to cut this one. And the only thing now is that wire hanger up there. It's a little too much slack, so I'm gonna have to, like, for now at least tie it up. But we'll take it to the exhaust shop soon, have them redo the whole piece all the way to right here. But let's turn it on, see how it sounds. Alright, so that's how she sounds now. What do you guys think? We already have a plan on the setup. We're gonna do a muffler that doesn't get done too much on Hondas with the full exhaust, but it's gonna sound good, watch. But yeah, it's the muffler delete on the 6P TL. Follow the Instagram page, I'll post it up right there. And we'll wait for these guys. They went to go get the other pulley. Once they get back, put this one back together, I'll be done for the day. Alright, so they went to grab another one, but it ended up being the wrong one again, so we're gonna try it again. But we got the cup over here.
The chancla?
Ay, wey. Silverado over here. Looking very clean. Bitch ass nigga didn't fucking make it at the Canada Bay. What a hoe. What a hoe. But this one, the windshield got freshly tinted. There's a big ass crack in it.
I didn't see nothing.
Fucking big ass rock chip hit it, made a big ass crack right there. So we're gonna try that O'Reilly's repair, see if it works. We'll be done. Alright, so I ended up having to get the whole assembly because we didn't have the right pulley. So now let's get this shit in there. God damn it. Third time's the charm, I hope. So we finished my TL. Sounds a lot better now. Finished hers.
Sounds a lot better now.
I was able to fix the chip on the windshield and there's no more mufflers. So now she feels like a cool guy. She's gonna do a pull for you guys though, so we can hear it. So sweaty ass forehead.
That's you.
She took the mama whiskey to the gym today, made it back safely. Thank you. So yeah, we got the both TLs here. That one's for sale, so tap in. She won't let me drive that one no more. Little selfish ass. So yeah, we're gonna close up shop and then let you guys hear a pull on the way home. Okay. Doing pulls over here. Alright guys, so that was one of her first pulls. She's already been doing little sneaky pulls behind my back without telling me. But I know you guys are barely able to hear it because of all the wind noise, but it sounds pretty good. It's not too loud, not too quiet. It's like a perfect loud, so she wants it louder still. But yeah, when we do the next exhaust mod, I'll record on that one. Until next time.